Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize your WordPress theme with Elementor Pro. This is an incredibly powerful way to take full control over your website's design, allowing you to modify headers, footers, and every element of your theme without touching a single line of code. Let's jump right in and see how you can unlock this functionality. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Simply open your browser, navigate to your site's URL, followed by /wp-admin, and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can access all of your site's features and settings. Now look over to the left sidebar menu. Here you'll find a variety of options for managing your website. Click on Templates. This is where Elementor stores all the design templates you can use and customize for your site. It's essentially your creative hub for building and modifying layouts. After clicking on Templates, you'll see a submenu appear on the left side. From this submenu, select Theme Builder. The Theme Builder is Elementor's dedicated feature that allows you to design and customize every part of your WordPress theme, from the header and footer to individual page layouts and archive pages. This is where the real magic happens. However, here's an important point to note. In order to customize your WordPress theme with Elementor Pro, you must upgrade to Elementor Pro first. The Theme Builder feature is exclusive to the Pro version and isn't available in the free version of Elementor. Without this upgrade, you'll only be able to edit individual pages, not the theme-wide elements like headers, footers, and templates that appear across your entire site. To upgrade, you'll need to visit Elementor's official website, purchase a Pro license, and install it on your WordPress site. Once you've done that, you'll have full access to the Theme Builder and all its powerful customization options, giving you complete creative freedom over your website's appearance. And that's it. By following these steps and upgrading to Elementor Pro, you'll be able to fully customize your WordPress theme and create a truly unique website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.